Hi, I'm Denise Austin. I want to show you some easy exercises that I do to recover after a workout, or if you want to warm up your muscles before a workout, all with the use of a foam roller. And I like this one because it's a little smaller and I could even travel with it to loosen up your muscles. If you have tight muscles, they also get knots. This will flatten it out and make you feel so much better. My first one's for the legs, because the legs is where you get a lot of tension. So what I like to do is relax the muscles and go forward and back. You could even lie flat on the ground and roll it forward and back. Oh, it feels so good on my calf muscles. Or if you want extra tension, you could sit up nice and tall and put a little more weight on it, and oh, you'll really feel it. That's what I do for the calves and the ankles all the way down, and also do both legs. So that concentrates on the lower leg. Now let's take it up to the upper thighs, the hamstrings. This is where I get tight too. Oh, if you just roll it out there, that's it. Roll it. So get the back of your thighs and the hamstrings. That's it. Then take it to the next level, to the buttocks, and really go up and down through the buttocks. They get really tight, especially if you work out. That's right. So you want to loosen up through the buttocks. It's like a mini massage. I even like to take it a little further up to the low back. And that's where I really feel. You could stay there where the knots are. Just feel it out yourself on your own body. Every day is a little different too. Now, for the outside of your legs, our T-band that gets very tight, everyone does. All you do is lie on your side and roll it up and back. And you can feel that alongside of your leg. And of course, do the whole thing with the other leg. The lower leg, then you do the hamstrings, then you do your buttocks, then you do right here, your T-stand. Now, the next step is for the front of your thighs. So I always do my legs first, and then I go up to my upper part of the body. So here you do a little bit right here. Oh, you'll feel it on the front of your thighs, also mainly the front of your calf muscle, the shin. A lot of people get tight there. Then take it up to your thighs. Oh my gosh, this feels so good on my thigh muscles. You could take it all the way towards your hips. Bring it up towards your hip area, and then if you really want to put a little more pressure, get a little lower and roll side, forward, and back. Oh, it feels so good. Now it's time to do your back. Oh, the best part of all. Now, I like to start all the way up my lower back, because I always start from the feet up, and then I roll on my back and feel it all along the low back. If you want to get low by your hips, that feels good too. Oh, feels so good. Oh my gosh. Then take it to the midsection, where a lot of people get a lot of tension, and rock it, roll it like that. Oh, it feels so good on your back where you get tension. Get rid of those knots. Smooth it out. And now, very important, your neck. So place it here first. Roll down like a sit-up and relax your neck. And go side to side first. This is what I do for my neck, relaxing. No more neck tension. And then you could also hold it and roll it a little. Just roll it a little. Oh, it feels so good. I love it. So those are all the easy exercises that you could do with your foam roller. It's such a great way to recover the body, relax, and let the muscles just give way. Oh, it feels so good. And it's good for you too. Keep it up.